I need my money. HIV-infected nurse still awaiting funds even after state disperses 10 million interim payment. Apparently the state paid the money to the lawyer. This is the plight of Lydia James. I think that's not the right name, which is good. A nurse and mother of 5 who's been living with HIV since September 2007 when she was struck by an HIV/AIDS patient on a ward at a hospital in central Jamaica. Wow. She says, my health is declining and I haven't been to my doctor in over 2 years because I can't afford the fees. The last time I went in 2016, my bill was $16,000. I could hardly find it to pay. And they don't accept health cards, so I can't buy any medication. I'm suffering at the hands of what happened to me. A judgment of 39 million was handed down in April, but it's currently being appealed. However, to compound the woman's agony, she's now learning that almost 2 months ago, the Ministry of Justice authorized an interim payment of 10 million, which is not yet received. Her lawyer had not said when she would be paid.
The money has been sent to an account held by
the lawyer,
the legal practice, from August.
August 28, it says.
And still,
no money.
I need the money to be able to do my treatment so I can put my children. I have to live for them. She said, wow. Mercy. Well, this is the role of the media. You highlight this, you hope something will come out of it. Oh Lord, that's a tough situation.
Yeah.
Stuck by a patient.
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
All right, brace for it, guys. NWC says they're seeking a review of their current rates. The OUR release, and OUR release has said that the NWC applied for a review of its current tariff on October 2, proposing a 23% and a 38% average increase in revenues for water and sewerage charges, respectively. Last such review was undertaken in 2013. According to the OUR, the total revenue requirement associated with the latest proposed increases is 33.9 billion, 26.1 for water and 7.8 billion for sewerage charges. I mean, NWC is in need of revenue. They're they have one whole heap of pipes to fix and a whole heap of work to do. So I guess that's why they've applied for this. But if your water bill go up 23% in one go, or 38%, could be. That's a good jump.
And depending on what you're paying already, could cause some issues. It happened to me yesterday again. What? I know they have the traffic problems, but I haven't been caught in. Bless you.
Salute.
Bless you. I haven't been caught in.
It's cold, Harold. What you say I must do? I don't have on any belts, I never miss no loop. What must do? Call home?
Call home. So, I don't really get caught in the traffic thing, but 2 days now, last week.
Home? You're there. Okay, great. Bye.
No, you need to find out who else is there.
Oh, sorry.
Never call back.
Cross.
Yeah, so about, when was it? Last week, one day it took me 2 hours and like 20 minutes. Normally it would take me about 15 minutes. And it happened to me yesterday again.
Yeah, the traffic, the last couple of weeks, I don't know.
I don't know. I know they have the issues, but for some reason I don't normally get caught in the really bad traffic, but 2 days now. I say that to say that new traffic changes for Mandela Highway this weekend. They said the change will last for a minimum of 8 weeks,
Lord,
which will affect westbound traffic. So if you're going towards Spanish Town, the change will impact the section of the corridor in the vicinity of the 6 miles overpass. It says the westbound traffic will be detoured onto a Bailey Bridge that has been installed in the vicinity of the overpass. Movement along the Mandela, where it intersects Spanish Town Road and Washington Boulevard, will be controlled by newly installed temporary traffic signal. Oh, there you go.
In the meantime, the NWA has advised motorists to exercise due care in traveling on the Mandela Highway, especially during nighttime, as several of the new street lamps are now non-functional following the theft of circuit breakers, of course, because, you know, darkness, thieves will come out. New lamps were wired to use critical components that assist in minimizing damage due to power surges, but the breakers have been stolen.
Yep.
thieves have been preying on the system. So they said the JPS is working to have the lamps back in operation, but in the meantime, they're asking that everybody exercise due caution as they drive along the roadway.
Well, there you go.
All right.